Warning. So if warning, this video will contain weird stuff. If you feel uncomfortable, please click off. Let's get into this weird, stuff. I was originally gonna say the other word, but I can't. I want to have money.
Disclaimer. Oh, premature screaming to alleviate the pain. Hello there. How are you doing? Do you come here often? Welcome to my closet of suffering. Do you know what we're gonna do today, fam? Oh, yes, indeed. You guessed it right by looking at the title. Today, we're gonna look at the fluffy community because last time I did it, I went to hell and back. After my YouTube career, I'm gonna write a book like Bilbo did. It's gonna be There and Back Again, a Hobbit's Tale. But instead, it's gonna be like There and Back Again to Hell because that's what I do here. We did it, guys. Oh yes, the time you're happy about voicing over shoving a shoving a pen into a fluffy. Stop it. Stop. So what is a fluffy community? It's basically a spin-off of small, cute, pony-like creatures. And in this beautiful, beautiful fandom, you have a few different categories. For example, abuse, which is very common. You have hug box, which is not as common as I would like it to be. Weird box, sad box, and basically different themes of where these fluffies end up.
Welcome to everyone came from the quick by Russia and very fishy little plushy washy.
God, if you can hear me, I'm so sorry for everything I've done. Hello? Hey, Satan there, old buddy. How about a premature rapture, my boy? All right, I'm just gonna create my own hell. Screw this.
r/fluffy community members. Woof.
r/fluffy community content. Oh my God. I came to this community, and it was awesome. But the content, my God. Dinner's up, princess.
Yeah, so much. Gaggy, gaggy. So good. Fluffy gang on messed up.
No more anime.
Please.
Okay, now we have Fluffy. He goes. Did you think we could not sink lower, fam? Oh, think again. This video is just getting started. I do hope you enjoy your stay here and enjoy you clicking on this video. You made this choice actively yourself.
Damn it, I'm leaving it for another man.
But baby, what's he got that I don't?
He doesn't have a 5 terabyte folder full of info.
Oh, couple goals. Hey, baby, instead of a baby, how about we get a
Poopy fluffy Bobby.
Sir, this is a Wendy's. Gathered concern? This was my entire sub base when I first started covering Noah Get the Boat. And then, when I did Fluffy...
Fluffy, shoot him, Bobby, here, Fluffy.
Hey, man, I heard you got the stuff. You a cop? Nah, man, I just need a fix, man. I got the shakes. Help the bro out. Yeah, follow Fluffy. 350. Take it or wave it. Oh. I mean...
Okay. How is that a fix for a body pillow? Like, come on, man. Okay, let's get back to the video. God, I'm about to die from laughter.
I heard a furry artist makes bank, but I think Fluffy is where it's at.
Fricka poopy Bobby, all my homies. Hicka poopy Bobby, all yang hook.
Me, one day in the Fluffy fandom.
This is so disgusting.
Me, 1 week in the Fluffy fandom. I have been sucked into your awful fandom. And I love it.
Okay. That's a little bit dark and a little bit messed up.
We're all gonna burn in hell, you know that, right?
Yeah, shitting intensifies.
What am I supposed to tell people when quarantine is over and I get to leave this house? What am I supposed to tell people, when they casually say, hey man, what do you do for a living? Like, Yeah, what do I tell them? Huh? Shitting intensifies. I'll tell them that. Hey there, Darla.
Hi, Gaggy.
How are you doing today?
Gaggy feeling I still a fluffy can breathe.
That's wonderful. Would you like to sing the Fluffy song?
Of course, Gaggy's got our favorite song.
I'm worrying myself how good I'm getting at reading fluffy language. Okay, here goes. You're my little fluffy wuffy
With a great big woo.
with a great big bow on your fluffy head. You're my little fluffy
With a great big smile.
with a great big smile on your fluffy face. As we sit in the yard and dream of stars in the future, we will sing.
We will sing.
We will sing this happy fluffy song. I've been feeding you fluffy meat.
What?
Like glove I feed you every morning, it's fluffy meat. You're a cannibal, also. You're my little fluffy
Where goes?
with a great big nose on your little head. You're my little fluffy
Gaggy, we sick.
with a great big belly full of fluffy meat. And we sit in the yard and dream of stars in the future. We will sing,
Gaggy, we sing no more.
we will sing our fluffy happy song. You go to fluffy house.
Yeah.
What the heck? Why was he feeding him her egg fluffy meat? That's disgusting. Okay. Well, let's get back to the video. Jesus.
God, I can just imagine this one day at McDonald's when I'm eating my nuggies. Just a random worker walks up to me and says, "Yeah, you enjoy that, you freak? That's human meat." Like, oh. Why am I doing this? Click, you had so many opportunities for a career. Why did you pick this?
So, I think I have cancer. So, let's continue on with the video. This is what I am reacting to. God save us now. But I have to...
Hey, God, is it too late for a rapture yet?
Yes, it is too late. You have prayers.
Hey, Satan, I've been old fam, yeah. Psst. Hey, you. Yikes. I think I actually read up on what these things are, but we will see in a little while. Stay, and now... Goofus and Gallant. A cautionary tale of love and loss by Kibbles and Tits? Goofus has a favorite baby. Gallant loves all her babies equally. Goofus makes her least favorite baby dance for Milkies. Gallant dances for her babies, so they are happy. Goofus ran away from home because Daddy told her to love all her babies. She couldn't find mummies, so she had to eat her favorite baby. What the Oh my god!
Oh, okay. Why this reminds me of a certain animal that eats their child? Oh yeah, there's a few. So, don't eat your kids. You'll go to jail. That's illegal.
Goofus ran away from home because Daddy told her to love all her babies. She couldn't find nummies, so she had to eat her favorite baby. Gallant gets spaghetti from her daddy for being such a good mother. Huh?
Huh? Huh? Huh? Huh? Huh?
It's just like pasta or pasta. It's good whatever you choose, fam. It's a pretty luxury problem. I told you she won't come out. Whoa, she really gave birth under there. She hasn't moved in days. I think one of them is dead. I've even tried spaghetti, but she's so afraid she won't even let her foals move. What a shame. Fluffies are so stupid.
Bobby, wake up.
In the arms of an angel.
Gee, this is so dark. Oh my god. Yeah, Click, this was a great idea to record before bedtime. Oh, that's the last of my soul escaped my body. Fuck yeah.
Sexy pillow fight with the girlfriends, are you? Yeah, Fluffy up. Oh, Fluffy, go away.
Am I a bad person for laughing at this? Am I? I mean, I already know I'm going to hell.
make me sick. Let's continue.
Oh, I'm just interested in how, fast my descent will be. Well, hello there, Satan. Good buddy. How are you doing, fam? How's the fursuit coming along? Oh, are you saying hell is looking hella lit? Oh, it's flaming hot? Oh, I bet you're a little hottie too, eh? Hey, Satan, are you horny? Get it? 'Cause you have the horn.
Oh, I think this guy is a the Dark One fangirl. I'm not gonna call him by his actual name because I want this to stay. I want money. I don't want to get demonetized.
Please don't kick me out. I don't have anywhere else to go.
Mama, wa Bobby, wop, mama, Bobby's go.
At this point, I'm sure nature hates fluffies just as much as humanity does.
Oh, okay. I think I gotta tell Sequels that his parents got into murder. Okay. Well, this is weird.
Yeah, that's looking hella fly. Get it? Because birds. I loved ponies before it was cool.
Okay, Japaka flip with cream and croissant, got $6, Missy.
Oh my god, that one looks so cute. Oh god, can I have it as a pet? Please don't be poopy. But I can do like a cork. Did you know Thumbelina is the world's smallest horse? She is just 43 centimeters, 17 inches tall, and weighs 26 kilograms, 57 pounds. Oh my god, fluffies are real. I was gonna say what a wonderful world, but I'm not entirely sure.
Wait,
It's a wonderful world to be alive.
give Bobby's back, six machine, yours mama's mini special friend. Wabugagi, go.
Now what the f*** that's supposed to be?
A drawing of you and that weird fluffy guy. I think I know the reason why humans hate these things. I'm confused still. I'm very confused. Humans are weird.
So cute though. Oh my god, it's trying its best. Love you, Daddy. Oh no. This breaks the dark, cold remnants of my heart. Abuse, hugbox, perfectly balanced, as all things should be. Slash happy community. Mm-hmm.
Whee!
That's where you belong, trash.
Enjoy the sweet embrace of garbage. Well, if I ever wanted to, well, I think every time when I see a garbage can when I'm flying around town, I'm gonna think about you. I mean, sure, Bird City is literally up in the trees are literally buildings and like the, and I like you have to fly all the way down, and all the flightless birds have the shortest houses in the neighborhood. But oh boy, this is hilarious. If you want Josiah to give you a tour around town, just hit this video has to hit 8,000 likes. Yeah, no, not 8,000. That's too much. 10,000 likes. Yeah, 10,000. 10,000 likes, and yeah, okay, that's too much, but still, 10,000 likes, and I'll give you a tour of Bird City. But let's continue.
Soft teeth, quick horn. Oh my, no. Oh no. Oh god, the teeth are so soft that the teeth break and it bleeds everywhere and tries to eat stuff. Oh my.
I think humans have gone insane. I genuinely think you guys need help. I genuinely you guys need mental help because this is messed up. If you guys want to make a bunch of My Little Ponies fat, small, and bleed a lot and poop a lot, then I mean I can't stop you, but this is weird.
Oh, gee. And is that poop? Okay, yeah, the mama is a poopy, but oh no, the mama is more poopy than the poopy Bobby, and the poopy Bobby has to. Oh, the pain. A problem. Fluffies have brittle bones due to being released early by PETA.
Weak as flesh.
A solution, a diet rich in calcium and protein, weighted toys and vitamins. Oh, this is kind of cute. This is like how to care for your little dysfunctional ponies. For some fluffies, quadruple amputation is the only way to have a loving owner. Still better than end up life in the disposal burner.
Oh, okay. Well, this is gonna be one long video. Oh boy. Let's continue. That's right. I'm not gonna be like those gotcha idiots. I'm gonna be smart this time.
Hey, welcome to come with me to hell if you want to.
Fluffy prefer chef Gaggy. Gaggy, stay our waggy. Nom nom. Fluffy, wow, Gaggy.
I love you too, my little friend.
I mean, it's adorable, but I mean, then again, this weird creature from some sort of universe that loves spaghetti. I mean, if you're a Papyrus fan, then well, fangirl. Hopefully, no fangirls come to my house and burn me and put me on a turkey dinner for their senpai. I'm talking about you disgusting fangirls who like. I'm talking about you disgusting fangirls who think it's okay to murder. I think that's illegal. Yeah. So if I see you kill another person, I'm just gonna call the cops on you right away. Man, I don't think I'm gonna accidentally start a war, and I'm gonna take the blame for it. I'm gonna be so worried. Hopefully this doesn't work. Hopefully there is no war. Well, let's get back to the video before I start laughing.
Oh, so you got like a housewife fluffy? Okay, I guess that works.
I'm sick of crying, tired of trying. Yeah, I'm smiling, but inside I am Jellenheimer.
Oh, another teaser of these little buddies.
Jelenizer! Jelenizer kill! Jelenizer murder! Jelenizer kill, murder, and eliminate all! I don't even know why am I reacting to this? But still, Jelenizer kill and murder!
Hubby, what huggies?
Oh, yeah, you can't hug if you don't have any limbs. Me at 12:04 p.m. r/fluffy community. Ah! I sent one topic a few of these.
Bum 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 bum. I just wanted to grace your ears with that. Anyone who hates Among Us memes, and I'm sorry. Well, not sorry.
Images when he was live on stream because he was asking me if he should cover the subreddit. I sent a few pictures and he went silent for like a solid 4 minutes. I should remake this meme and just type one topic at the bottom instead.
A for mama and for get west on me. Now go come fast.
Is he really playing? Nah, he's watching a stream. Beside, that controller's busted. Oh, damn, you even got the Cheeto dust. That's what you do with small.
I actually have a PlayStation, and I actually have a PlayStation 4, and also, I'm not really an epic gamer, but if you want me, and I'm plus, since I'm doing this on the Cyrus tablet, I don't know how you went all the way to the fourth. I guess cartoon logic, but still, if you want me to play like the game on his tablet, just type it in the chat, and I will play a game. I'll probably any game you want, as long as it's advertiser friendly.
Of children, you like give them a fake controller while you're gaming and they think they're contributing, but they don't really know anything what's going on. All right, little Fluffy, time to brush your teeth. Ah! Now drink the OJ.
Oh, okay. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. I just don't. I just don't. I just don't. Okay? I just don't. Okay? I think I'm gonna die from laughter. If I see this again, I think I'm just gonna die from laughter. I think I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna keep. I'm gonna keep on trucking. Okay, let's continue.
Steve. Oh, my own Jellenheimer. His name is Steve. Artist. Me.
Wobble gaggy. Bobby Bobby Sharky. Oh, no gaggy, no gaggy, no me.
Yeah, yeah. Let's punch those fluffies. Let's punch them all the way to the moon. By the way, you guys want me to do more of these? I can. I will. I can easily do
Oh, I really suck it to them. Man, that really sucks.
Bobby, where Bobby's going? No, Mama. Mama, Bobby, she go, please. Mama, come and clean your poopy, Bobby.
what? Oh God. Well, I think humans got insane. I guess all those years of being affected by coronavirus kind of makes us happen. Nothing, we don't have to deal with that.
No, we got.
Oh, no, they're so cute and so gross. Here we go. r/Fluffy Community. Curiosity for Jellenheimers. Ever since I found this community through the help of the click, I was gonna say you're welcome, but I'm not so sure. Joining here just yesterday and looking through the art, y'all, something keeps nagging at me. What are Jellenheimers exactly? Jellenheimers are, at their core, an unholy abomination that exists only to feed off the suffering of fluffies. They are Lovecraftian monsters of the Fluffyverse, unfeeling, undying, unaffected. They cannot be killed or harmed. They merely pop in and out of existence at will. They are chaotic beings at best. They cannot be bred or created on purpose, and are merely a consequence of mankind's attempt at playing God.
Okay, I know that certain animals are created by humans, kind of like God, because humans are weird, and I don't know why that they try to play God. Then again, cool to have your very own animal named after you, but come on, man, don't play God. Don't play God. If you ever wanted to have a new type of animal in your world, just wait until God makes it himself. Don't just ruin Earth lot. Just don't make the world a worse place for us. Since certain animals are, created mainly for food or clothing, I don't think there's no need to just make hybrids just for that. We already have animals that we eat and cook up too. I have a bucket of KFC. I can't believe chicken butter KFC. That's kind of racist, but you get the idea. You get the idea. You get the idea. It's just weird. It's just extremely weird to automatically just say some stuff. I think you guys need help. I genuinely think that.
That answers many of my questions in mind. Well, laddies, lasses, and lassos, I do hope you found this video educational at best. By the way, this is a pretty small subreddit, so if you decide to go check it out, please be respectful to the staff there and the rules they have on the subreddit. It would be a shame to ruin it because of their large influx of people. So just respect the people there, respect the rules, and we will all be super happy. Other than that, I hope an amazing day and night time, or whatever you live, and I will see you in the next Closet of Suffering. Bye-bye.
And that's also the end of my video. So what are we watching anymore? This is hilarious, basically. So yeah, this will be the end of the video. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do, I will, like I said, if we hit like 10,000 likes on this, I will show you I'll give you a tour of Bird City. So yeah, this will be the end of the video. So guys, stay frosty, and I will